Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets behind corporate filings and figure out what is really going on behind all the financial jargon. Today we're looking at InnSuites Hospitality Trust, and let me tell you, they've got some interesting news that hints at stability and a bit of optimism. Before we dive in, if you love getting these kinds of straight-talking insights from official company documents, make sure you are subscribed. And hey, we've got a growing community on Discord where we chat about these things in real time. Link is in the description below. So, InnSuites Hospitality Trust has filed their latest report with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, and it's an 8K form. Think of this as a heads up on major events that shareholders should know about right away. The key date here is the 12th of January 2026, which is when the earliest event reported took place. This filing covers important updates. We're looking at information that gives us a peek into how the company is doing financially and strategically. InnSuites Hospitality Trust's main trading symbol is IH, and their shares are listed on the NYSE American Exchange. This tells us they are a publicly traded company whose performance is watched by many investors. Now for the juicy stuff, the actual news, the Board of Trustees for InnSuites Hospitality Trust has made a dividend declaration. This is essentially them saying they are going to share some of their profits with their shareholders. They're declaring a semi-annual dividend of 1 cent per share. This might not sound like a lot, but it's important because it continues an impressive streak of 56 years of uninterrupted annual dividends. That kind of consistency shows discipline and a commitment to returning value to investors, even if the individual payment is small. They're also sharing some operational highlights. The company reports strong performance in their hotel operations. Specifically in December, their 2 hotels combined brought in revenue of over $536,000. This is a solid figure and shows that their core business is healthy. Looking ahead, they are projecting record total revenues for their hotels for the fiscal year ending the 31st of January 2026. They anticipate these revenues to exceed $7.54 million. This is a really positive outlook, suggesting growth and continued success in their hotel business. Beyond just hotels, InnSuites Hospitality Trust is actively pursuing diversification. They mention their IBC Hotels Diversification Project and a Unigen Diversified Clean Energy Investment, stating both are making positive strides. This shows they are not putting all their eggs in one basket and are looking for new avenues to generate income and growth, which is a smart move for long-term stability. They are also exploring other potential diversification investment opportunities. The filing also lists exhibits, and the most significant one here for us is Exhibit 99.1, which is a press release. This is where the official announcement of these positive developments would have been made to the public. And finally, we see the signatures confirming that the company executives have reviewed and authorized this report. James F. Worth, the Chairman and Chief Executive Officer, has signed off on this, dated the 21st of January 2026. Now, let's put on our investor hats and look at what this all means. InnSuites Hospitality Trust, trading as IHT, is showing a very steady hand. The 56-year streak of dividends, even if it's just 1 cent per share, communicates a deep commitment to shareholders. It's like a reliable old friend who always remembers your birthday. In the world of business, that kind of predictability builds trust. Their hotel operations are not just stable, they are strong and growing, with December revenues topping $500,000. This isn't just treading water, it is moving forward. The real story here though is their push for diversification. Investing in clean energy and exploring other avenues is a strategic move that speaks volumes. Companies that only rely on one industry can be vulnerable to market shifts. By spreading their investments, InnSuites is building resilience. The mention of projects making positive strides is intentionally vague, as is common in these reports, but the intent is clear. They are actively working on multiple fronts to secure future growth beyond their traditional hotel business. Are there risks? Of course. Diversification can be tricky, new ventures don't always pan out as expected, and the clean energy sector, while promising, is competitive and can be subject to regulatory changes. However, their solid foundation in hospitality, coupled with these forward-looking investments, suggests a business that is aware of its environment and actively adapting. They are not just maintaining the ship, they are looking for new horizons. In conclusion, InnSuites Hospitality Trust appears to be navigating its business with a mature and strategic approach. They are rewarding shareholders consistently, strengthening their core business, and intelligently diversifying for future growth. This paints a picture of a well-managed company focused on long-term value. Alright, that is our breakdown of InnSuites Hospitality Trust's latest filing. What is your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Do you think their diversification strategy is a winner? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps us out, and subscribe for more deep dives into corporate finance. Don't forget to check out the Discord link in the description to join the conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Corporate Decoder.